Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited about this one. Got my little brother's car. I know I'm not in a bike right now, as crazy as it sounds, right? Kinda do want to go riding. Yesterday felt amazing. It was like 77, I think, the highest. God, I'm sorry if that camera's moving a lot. I really hope it's not, but we'll see. Anyways, dude, yesterday was an amazing day to ride. I was out with the boys, you know, we were acting up. I wish I would have done a video, but I knew I wanted to do a review video. I know some of y'all from my previous videos have heard of me wanting to do reviews on cars, right? Because, like, yeah, I love riding, but I'm also into cars, and I want this channel to have a little bit of everything, and not just straight moto vlogging and being, you know, y'all being behind the freaking handlebars of a bike. Oh look, they finally passed this damn pothole. I'm driving where I said that Harley laid down the other time. Just drove by the pothole. They just patched it up. Still look like shit though, obviously. I need to go straight here. But pretty cool thing is, so I am driving my little brother's BMW 335i. Now, granted, I don't know much about these cars. I'm not that big into BMWs, but I just know that you can make them fast, especially this one, dude. Like, this is a fun, good lord, this road is hard. This is a fun daily driver. Holy crap. Like, I'm pretty sure it's full bolt-on. I'm pretty sure it's tuned. You know, it's lowered on coilovers, got some nice wheels. It's got a carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber splitter, carbon fiber trunk. The roof, it is wrapped carbon fiber, but other than that, man, this car just looks good all the way around. Super excited for my little brother to see what he does with this car, and the fact that he let me drive it today. That's awesome. I mean, buddy, dude, I need to get a BMW. God, dude, the turbo sounds, the pops and bangs that this car does, and then this, every time it shifts, it does a little blurple noise. Oh my God, it just sounds so good in general. Man, let's see. I wonder how it would sound with the window down a little bit. Especially if you have a blow-off valve, just let off. Is so like addicting to my, just like lay into this car all the time. Okay, never mind. I was gonna go to a warehouse right here. Ooh, got a good straightaway right here. It's a 45 roll. Actually, I need to go get gas real quick. Of course, my little brother lets me do this video when the car is on E. So let's go get gas for him. And yes, I'm gonna fill your tank up for you. Don't ever say I did nothing. Oh, hello, officer. I'm not doing anything. I'm pretty sure I can take him right here and he'll bring me out to the main road. Cops back there. You see him? Go by. Oh my God. I need to quit taunting cops, bro. Like, I do it with the R7 all the time. Acting like I'm gonna get away from them, knowing damn well that they will catch you on that slow ass bike. Okay, that took $43. Anyways, it took $43 to fill it up, and it had like, I don't know, 40 miles till empty or something like that. So I guess it's not that. I don't know how to judge it, but now we got a full tank. Now let's go have some fun. I got the 360 on as well, so maybe we'll see if somebody wants to race. I wouldn't mind seeing we race somebody. What was that? A light, or not a Lightning? Harley Davidson edition F-150. Dude, that thing is clean. Okay. It's a Mexican. I knew it. And that thing clean. Apart from the Lightning, the Harley Davidson F-150s with the supercharger are the next top tier trucks. In my opinion, of course. Don't come at me. Shut the hell up. Let's see what we can get into. Got a brother on his hog in shorts, boy, in them G shorts. Oh, shit. Oh, God, watch out. Hell yeah. Got the hoodie on. Got the damn jean shorts on. Got the Puma tennis shoes on, bro. He about it, bro. I don't want to mess with him. Not one bit. On 85. Like I said, it's lowered on coilovers, which honestly for me, lowered on coilovers, it does not ride bad at all. Like it is actually, oh my god. Obviously you gotta fill the bumps. I mean, that's with any coilover, but other than that, damn, this thing feels real good going around a turn like this. Should take this car to the mountain. Old Paris Mountain. God, the turbo spooling is just, I'll never get over that. You know, the best thing about this car is a 4-door too. Like, what else do you want? You can make this thing fast and carry your family and friends. It's a no-brainer, bro. Fifth gear was starting to pull harder. Alright, roll the windows up. I'm pretty sure this is an 8-speed. See, that's 7, 8. Yeah, 8-speed. Automatic transmission. What we got here? An RT. He's a hammy brother. Rides really smooth for being a modified car. Love the heads-up display. I didn't even know it had heads-up display, to be honest with you. I could honestly daily one of these. And it's like you're not pushing it too much to where like it's overkill, you know, like you're overdoing it. Like this is enough to where you can have enough fun on the street. I mean, it's got the power if you want to get on it. It's got the comfort if you just want to daily it to work, you know, back and forth. Hey, go on vacation and dude, like I could drive this thing across the damn country, honestly. And that's just from the little bit that I've been on. The seats feel amazing. I mean, they got the little side things that are holding in my little love handles right now. I mean, the overall of this car, so far, as of right now, I'm giving it probably an 8.5 out of 10 overall. I don't know how I feel about the whole little knob thing to control like the stereo. Like, I guess I'm just not used to it, so pretty sure if I drove this car for a few days, I'd get used to it. but I don't know. Everybody sees a gap cam on these cars or on any car, and they're like, I don't know if I want to race it. Bro, the gap cam's just for show, you know, it's just for looks, good. This thing ain't fast, I swear. Sounded good. His blow valve sounded good as fuck too. Alright, yeah, this car it does sound good. Oh my god. That was a good little race. Dude, this thing is fast. I don't care. What are the damn coincidence that I find a little race as soon as we start this video. Nice. What are the chances, bro, that I find a nice little race like that? Kept the adrenaline pumping. I promise I'm not gonna beat your car too much, alright? Hey, look, a Porsche. I'm just kidding, it's an SUV Porsche. But yeah, I mean, I just, honestly, I think, is that a zit? I got a zit on my lip. What the fuck? Say Paris Mountain, boy. Alright, see, it's open. That look, you know, pretty cool. Don't hit the lip, don't hit the lip, don't hit the lip. Not trying to hit my lip, but hit the lip. We're good. Hold on, gotta put it in Sport Plus mode. How do the NASCAR people do it? Warm up the tires, bro. Warm up the tires. Hopefully this road ain't as bad as it was last time I came up on the bike. Dude, there was sand everywhere from the day it snowed. obstructs traffic. So, man, this thing is amazing up here. Just those few turns I've already hit. Good lord. Guys, it's crazy because this car isn't even that expensive. I think you can find like a mid 2000s model anywhere in between like 4,000 for a completely beaten, abused, to up to like, I don't know, I've seen, or hell, I've heard my little brother talk about some even going for like 15 even. You know, a low mileage, clean, mint condition one. Like, these things are all over the place on value. So me personally, I think if you have $9,000 laying around and you want fast, reliable, I mean, apparently they make some power and are reliable on that power to be able to daily it with that power. This is it. Like, you cannot go wrong with this. Me personally, I would get this. I really wish this truck would get out of the way. This thing is nasty. Oh, rip it. Like, this is a good side of the mountain too, where all the good turns are. I just want to pass this guy.
A few moments later.
Bro, this is insane. Don't get scared. Oh my god. Bike down. Am I good to go by? Hopefully no cars are coming. is actually the one that I uploaded that short reel from, of racing on what it is, a four-door sedan. Yeah, you can't really go wrong with it. All right, there's 2 lanes here, guys. I see a Camaro. Probably a V6. Wait, that's a good race for it, right? V6 versus inline 6? I'm just kidding. Imagine he lines it up and walks me. That'd be sad. I'd take it back to my little brother and be like, don't ever embarrass me like that again. Don't ever do that again to me.
Few moments later.
So guys, we didn't get no action on Wade Hampton. There was just too many cars, too much traffic, right? Anyways, man, I want to give a shout out to my brother for letting me drive this thing and beating the crap out of this car. I mean, and it took it. I mean, so this car is literally perfect, man, for anything you want to do, from a street car to dailying to whatever you want to do with this car, man. It makes power with a few bolt-ons. I mean, me personally, I would buy one. And like I said, man, these things are going, you know, from 4,000 to finding an all beat one to literally 15 grand to find a mint condition, you know, someone that has never beat the crap out of it and has low mileage. You know, these things are all over the place on price wise, but I think for 9 grand you can find a good one. But man, this is one heck of a car for a 4-door sedan. Definitely worth the money and reliable for the power too. So shout out to my little brother. But this is it, guys. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Catch you on the next one.